In this tutorial, you will learn how to add a campfire glow to your 3D characters in Create Studio. Notice how the light dances around with moments of darkness and brightness. Keep watching and I will show you how. This is Randy
and Patrick
with another Create Studio tutorial. Create Studio has a nice background called Forest with an open surface in the foreground that will be perfect for a campfire scene. The background is much too bright for a campfire scene, so we need to darken the picture. The way I do this is to set the opacity of the background to 35%. That works great, but only if your canvas color is black. You can change the canvas color by clicking any empty space on the timeline and then open the canvas color. After you set the nighttime mood, add a character. In this tutorial, I will add the 3D creator character, Tom. The character is way too bright for the background, so let's darken Tom. Open the Effects and Components panel by clicking on the double star icon. Click and drag the color correction effect onto the Tom track. After the color correction panel displays, set the brightness value to -50%. Now Tom has the appropriate nighttime shading. For the fire, click on the studio icon. I suppose that is a paintbrush, but to me it looks like a rocket ship. Next, click on Effects. In the search bar, type in Fire and hit Enter. Fire 29, 30, and 31 have fire that can be used in a loop. For this project, we are going to use Fire 30. It is a video that is a little over 3 seconds long, so you may need many copies to last the duration of the project. What I like to do is duplicate the video clip multiple times and...
Whoa! The keyboard shortcut pop-up is new!
It is! One of our subscribers requested we share the keyboard shortcut when one exists. I thought it was a good idea, so we'll do that from now on. As I was saying, I like to duplicate the video multiple times and drag the copies so that they all are on one track. Select all clips on the track and group them by right mouse click and select Group. Let's rename the group Fire to stay organized. Now when you resize and reposition the fire, it will apply to all the video clips in the group. Once the fire is in place, hide the fire track as we perform the next step, which is to create the fire glow on Tom. Drag another Fire 30 onto the canvas. Resize the fire so that it covers most of Tom. With the video track selected, click on Blend Mode and select Soft Light. You may decide you like Overlay or Color Burn, as all three will work. After playing from the start, the campfire glow seems too fast, but we can slow down the video by using the Clip Speed effect. Open the Effects menu and drag Clip Speed onto the video. In the Clip Speed Effects menu, set the speed to 50%. You can type in 50 or mouse click and drag mouse left until the speed reaches 50%. The fire glow does look better with the slower speed, but Tom's track needs a longer duration, so click on the end square and drag it right. To make the fire glow video track longer, duplicate the video clip and drag it to the end of the original. Next, select all the video clips and once again put them in a group. To keep organized, name the group Fire Glow. Let's play from the beginning and see how it looks.
Hey Randy, I like the fire glow on Tom, but that glow is also all around Tom. That looks horrible.
You are right, Patrick. And so here is the most important tip. The glow can be confined to the character's body by using a Tom shape mask. But before making the mask, our viewers need to know that all of Tom's movements should be finalized first. So if you want to add actions, animations, or talking, do that before creating the mask. To create the Tom shape mask, duplicate the Tom track. Select the bottom track and rename it to Tom Mask. With the Tom mask highlighted, click on Effects and delete the color correction by clicking on the circle with an X in it. Go to the Effects panel and drag the color fill effect onto the mask. In the Overlay Color panel, click on the color and change the hex value to 888888. The 8s produces a color that is halfway between black and white. Next, highlight the Fire Glow track and in the Properties, click on Track Matte. In the Track Matte panel, change the mask from None to Tom Mask.
Wow, that's great that the glow around Tom is gone. But that glow, it's bright. It is way too bright.
That is easy to fix. The great thing about the color fill effect is that we can use it to control the brightness of the light reflecting off the character. All you have to do is click on the mask track, open the Effects panel, and click on Overlay to open the Color Fill panel. The way Track Matte works, if the mask is totally white, all the colors of the track the mask was applied to will get through. See how the glow gets really bright when I drag that circle to white. That is because all the fire glow color is visible. But if the mask is black, then none of the color gets through. So change the color fill color to a darker gray, and that tones down the brightness. So now the glow color looks good, and with the Tom mask, the fire glow is only on Tom. The last thing to improve is to soften the edges. Open the Effects menu and drag the blur effect onto the fire glow track.
Okay, that looks pretty good. Let's see what it looks like with the fire in the foreground. Right mouse click on Fire Track and select Show. Nice! You should give Tom the roasting marshmallow action.
Patrick? Crate Studio does not have a roasting marshmallow action.
What? I can't believe that! I am going to send a suggestion to support. Everybody wants a roasting marshmallow action.
Oh boy.
Hey everyone, have a good day and happy creating.